In California, when a loved one dies as a result of someone else's negligence, family members have the right to seek compensation for financial damages like funeral expenses and hospital bills, as well as emotional damages like loss of companionship. California law specifies who can file a fatal accident claim, including spouses, domestic partners, children, and other close relatives whose lives are directly impacted by the loss. A fatal accident claim is submitted to the insurance provider of the at-fault party. Unfortunately, these companies try to pay out as little as possible. They are notorious for attempting to shift blame, question evidence, and delay proceedings, which is why having a wrongful death attorney can be crucial. At Maison Law in California, we know that while no amount of money can bring back a loved one lost to someone else's negligence, sudden loss can leave families with catastrophic expenses. Our experienced team of wrongful death attorneys are here to help you through this difficult time. Contact Maison Law today for a free consultation.